Without Einstein, we would really be lost. GPS stands for Global Positioning System, and it's a way of finding our location here on the Earth. My name is Ronald L. Mallet, Professor of Physics at the University of Connecticut and author of Time Traveler. The way in which GPS works is that there are 24 satellites that are orbiting the Earth at an altitude of about 12,000 miles at a speed of 7,000 miles per hour. The satellite has an atomic clock on it. Atomic clocks are the most precise timekeeping mechanisms that we have. They send a signal with a timestamp on it. The GPS receiver receives that signal. It knows when it receives that signal, and it knows the time at which the signal was sent. That means that you can determine the difference between those two times. Now, the speed at which that signal is traveling to you is the speed of light. And this is where Einstein comes in. Einstein had developed two theories. His special theory of relativity, which was developed in 1905, says that a moving clock, time slows down for it as compared to a clock that's at rest. So the faster a clock moves, the more time slows down. 10 years later, Einstein developed his general theory of relativity, which says that gravity affects time. That is to say, the stronger gravity is, the more time slows down. This means that clocks at the surface of the Earth are running slower than those that are higher altitude. Because the satellite is traveling at 7,000 miles per hour, which is very fast, that means time is slowing down for that clock on board that satellite. However, the clock is at an extremely high altitude. And remember, at the high altitude where gravity is weak, the clock is actually running faster than the clock here at the surface of the Earth. So you have these two effects that are going on. The control stations have to calibrate and take that into account, or we would not accurately know the distance that satellite is away from us based on its time. Consequently, by determining that, using Einstein's theories, we're able to find our correct location here on the Earth. So very really, without Einstein, we would really be lost.